How to fix 0% clean air problem on a Shark air purifier. The 0% clean air reading usually means your air purifier isn't effectively filtering the air due to dirty sensors, clogged filters, or airflow issues. Here's how to fix it. Unplug the Shark air purifier for safety, then locate and gently clean the particulate matter sensor using compressed air or a soft brush, as dust on the sensor can cause a 0% clean air reading. Next, remove and inspect the HEPA or carbon filters. If they're dirty or clogged, replace them with official Shark replacements. Reset the filter indicator by pressing and holding the reset button for 3 to 5 seconds if you've changed the filter. Make sure the air intake and output vents aren't blocked by furniture or dust buildup. Plug the purifier back in, switch to auto mode, and let it run for at least 15 to 30 minutes to allow the sensor to recalibrate. If the issue persists, try a factory reset by holding down the power and timer buttons for 10 seconds. Regular monthly cleaning of the sensor and timely filter replacement help prevent this issue.